My name is Carson Herbert, and I'm the Director of Sales with Inertial Sense. Over the past few months, we have rolled out our new tactical-grade IMX-5 product. Ever since releasing this product, we have received a significant amount of customer interest, and these parts are literally flying off the shelves. We have customers all over the world that have already committed to purchasing thousands of these for their applications and use cases. Some of these use cases I'm going to go over with you and share some details of their responses to our new IMX-5 product. One multi-billion-dollar defense and aerospace company is looking for a low-cost IMU that costs under $100 per piece. It is to be used for a handheld missile system, but they have been unable to find a sensor that provides high enough accuracy with such a low price point. The volume potential with this client is enormous, but they are unable to find a suitable solution. That was until Inertial Sense released their tactical grade IMX-5. We were able to achieve both proper specifications, so high accuracy, as well as the low price point the customer was in search of. Another multi-billion-dollar telecommunications company needed a low-cost GNSS-aided INS for a satellite pointing system used on recreational vehicles and yachts. Solutions on the market hold the right specifications, but the price point was not achievable for a low-end commercial application. Inertial Sense was able to provide an offering that will be integrated into several product offerings for this company. The IMX-5 will become the sole navigation provider. Our price point was once again unrivaled. Finally, this last example is another billion-dollar company who has a fleet of indoor warehouse robots that need improved performance, but in order to get that improved performance, the client has found that they needed to pay more, and the cost of building these indoor robots was already very expensive. The Inertial Sense IMX-5 is an exception. Not only will performance be increased for these UGVs, but the Inertial Sense IMX-5 is lower cost than that of the current sensor offering, which is industrial, providing more bandwidth to add this sensor to various other projects inside of the organization. Once again, Inertial Sense price point is unrivaled. After going through some of these larger case studies, we have many other clients doing similar things. Some of those cases include making sure a turret is stable and pointed in the right direction and angle to shoot down an enemy target. Another sensor of ours is used in a camera system to ensure the camera is pointed correctly to capture the huge plays during a soccer game. Another client uses us to send a drone hunter to take down other unwelcome drones inside specific airspace. The uses of our inertial sensor are literally endless. You can use it to capture motion of any kind. So if you've been watching this video, there are 3 important things that I'd like you to take away from it. 1, Inertial Sense accuracy is tactical grade. 2, our price point for tactical grade accuracy is unrivaled. And 3, the applications and use cases for IMU and INS solutions are endless. At the end of the day, what we want is to talk to you about your projects and your business goals. If you're interested in learning more on our IMUs and INS solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is sales@inertialsense.com, or you can call me. My phone number is 801-477-4689. We look forward to integration.